Guys, we are here in Folsom, California, and behind me is the Museum of Folsom State Prison. It's the second oldest prison here in the state of California, next to San Quentin. So let's go check it out. The admission fees are about $2 per adult, 13 years old and up. Okay, let's go check it out.
Folsom Prison Museum, or Big House Museum, is located in Represa, California, near the entrance of the Folsom State Prison. Originally built in the 1870s by the Natoma Water and Mining Company, the land along the house was obtained by the state for a prison. The house was then used by prison staff and their families who lived and worked on the property. The museum has documentation indicating that prison staff were living in the house dating back in 1906. The last family to live here was Warden Joe Campy in 1982. In 1975, the Retired Correctional Peace Officers, or RCPO, established the museum at Folsom Prison, and it was opened as part of the original prison gift shop, which was operated by inmates. After some of the prison artifacts on display were removed, the decision was made by retired Correctional Sergeant John F. Fratis in 1987 with the help of the CCPOA to sponsor and move the museum at House Number 8 at Folsom Prison. It was dedicated on July 1, 1987. John Fratis' dad, also named John Fratis, was employed at the Folsom Prison on August 8, 1929. He and his family lived on the prison grounds. Years later, young John Fratis started on June 28, 1952 at the same prison. He and his family lived in House Number 8 from 1963 to 65. After John retired, he was instrumental in helping the RCPO chapter establish the museum for the public to observe first-hand information on the day-to-day working living conditions in Folsom State Prison. In 2011, the museum was annexed by the Old Guard Foundation, or OGF. The OGF in 2014 morphed the museum into the Big House Prison Museum with intention of making it a national museum, exposition and education center for corrections and the people who live, work and visit the facilities. When you go inside, the museum features a wealth of photographs, old hemp ropes used to hang prisoners, memorabilia from Johnny Cash's famed concert show,
Folsom Prison became more famous because of Johnny Cash, so they made a small dedication to him with pictures and memorabilia from him. A hand-cranked Gatling gun, many inmate manufactured weapons, and an 8-foot motorized Ferris wheel. Prison Billy Burk started constructing an 8-foot high Ferris wheel completed 10 months later with over 250,000 toothpicks. He was discharged from Folsom Prison
on April 4, 1934. Outside, there are a variety of equipment and building leftovers that used to be part of the prison. So let's look at them.
So guys, I hope you enjoy our tour of the Folsom Museum Prison. Till next time, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment.
Hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell. Come on guys, hit the bell.
For notifications.
And don't forget to share.
And like.